Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in Nifty index futures and options today. Let us see what happened yesterday. Yesterday, the market opened near 17,920. After the opening, the price found some resistance around 17,960, came down till 17,860, found support and continuously went for buying to create a new high for intraday around 18,020 and close near that. And today you can expect the market to open somewhere above 18,020, maybe near 18,040. So the price opening is subjected to changes since we are recording and posting this presentation bit earlier. And what is our overall view? I'm going to decrease the scale so that we can have some clarity about the price actions. The market recently created a record high, and after creating a record high, the price fell down. And you could see earlier when the price took resistance around 17,960, this 17,000 860, this level provided some support and pushed the price up, provided some support, but that resulted in a failure. So now if you see, this same 17,860 is providing support for the market, and the price had closed above this high, and it is likely to open near the record high. So what does that mean? So it means a few things. One, the price right after the opening, it should take some support around 18,000, 18,020, and it should start moving straight away towards 18,200, 260, where we expect the market to find some sort of strong resistance. So that is one possibility. The second one is the market, if the price finds a resistance around 18,060, and if it could not clear that, and if you get a closing below or within this 17,960, 920 levels, then we can expect a possible failure, so that the price will again come down and consolidate. So these are the two things that can happen. Now what we feel is, today you can expect the market to go for buying rather than going for resistance, since all the trend says that it is all set to go for buying, so to reach 18,200 to 60 levels. So how we can put this in this option market? And if you see, we have taken a lot of positions recently, and all the net positions we have added in our portfolios. All these are paper portfolios, since as a member of exchange we cannot show you any live trades. So the net profit, even though yesterday the market went up, almost all the positions we took advantage of as a seller of options. And in all these positions, only one position is likely to be in trouble. That is, we took a sell at 18,300 and we bought at 18,400, since the price is likely to test 18,200, so where we expect some resistance. So this is one area where where we need to do some sort of adjustments if the price breaks 18,260 in the futures market. So already if you see, for this position, we have there are 63% possibilities that it can end up in profit, and we took this position in the November contract. The max profit is 7,000, max loss is 17,000. Okay, so there are chances we can lose 17,000, but this is one area where we need to do some adjustments. But this is not a top concern for us today, because we expect some sort of resistance here, but we need to watch this price closely. And what are the other opportunities we have in the options market? If you see the option chain, since we expect some sort of price actions, what you can do, you can go to the October contract, because we have taken a lot of option selling strategies. We don't want to overload with those strategies. We need to wait and see how the price is reacting, but we don't want to miss the opportunity, since I had mentioned that we need to do some adjustments for this 18,300, 400 strike. So going back to the October contract, which is going to expire on 28th, you can select 1800 call option, and you may get this around 60 rupees. You can take a 30-point stop or 40-point stop and go and buy this call option. It is a purely for testing. If at all the price goes as per our expectation for intraday, once the price reaches 18,200 or 220, so you book profit and exit from the market. This is protection strategy. So you can take it as a new trade or as a compromise for this 18200. From now itself we are trying to test these strategies. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Kindly open trading account with goodwill. Kindly follow us in our YouTube channel. All these are continuous trades. We are not going to set a strategy and leave it aside. We will continue that strategy till the end of the expiry. So thanks a lot for watching our videos. For account opening, you miss call to 937 927 and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care. Bye.